Hello guys, today I'm back with another tutorial. In this video I'll be teaching you how to fold my torpedo boat. Let's get started. I recommend you use a 6-inch square origami paper for practice. Right here. Origami, the company's called. Okay, let's get started. Start with the colored side up. And fold it in half this way. Just crease the very top part. It's like a pinch crease. Well, you can crease the whole thing. Unfold it, just fold that point to that line. Fold that out and then fold this line to that point. Unfold, fold like this, fold that way. And now fold this side to that side. So I'm going a bit fast. It's not too hard. This is pretty much, as you see, the length of the ship. But except we fold in half and do some inside reverse folding. Unfold that, fold that corner to the center line. Just this first layer. Same with the other side. Now, unfold, squash that flap over. Inside reverse fold it so that line intersects that line. Flap that over again. Squash fold that flap. Sorry if you hear some noise. That's going to be where you're going to be able to insert the missiles. And let's go to the bottom. So, we're first going to want to take that up and fold that under. Fold that up. Fold that in again. Kind of just do it like this. Sorry if it's a bit dark. I'm trying to get the best light spot. Do the same for this side. Just valley fold that in. And now what you pretty much want to do, and fold this in half. Kind of inside reverse fold that flap to how far you want it. And feel free to put any size missile into it. Kind of if that sticks out too far, just. And then what you want to do here is basically squash inside reverse, I call it. So just kind of fold that up and fold that flap down. You see, this is slightly bigger than that one because I made some. Fold that back too. Just inside reverse fold this top flap. And then you have this flap, just tuck this flap under there. So, how to insert the missiles is just insert the nose to that tab. You're pretty much done. Feel free to shape any other thing in there, but yeah, that's pretty much today's video for the torpedo boat. Hope you liked it, and I'll be back next week.